In the spring of 1775, tension ran high across the 13 British colonies in North America. The British government had imposed taxes and strict regulations on farmers and merchants, which fueled growing resentment and dissatisfaction among the common people. Out of this discontent arose the struggle for independence. The British soldiers were well-equipped and experienced, but the colonists, mostly farmers, tradesmen, and ordinary citizens, stood up for war with little prior experience. They were led by George Washington, who organized ordinary people into an effective fighting force. The first major conflict occurred in April 1775 at Lexington and Concord. Rural soldiers, known as Minutemen, confronted the British troops, marking the beginning of the fight for independence. This was followed by the Battle of Bunker Hill. Although the British won, the courage of the colonial soldiers earned them respect. In 1777, the victory at the Battle of Saratoga drew the attention of the French government, leading powerful nations such as France, Spain, and the Netherlands to support the colonies. The decisive moment came in 1781 at the Battle of Yorktown, where British commander Lord Cornwallis surrendered. This is considered the final victory of the war. Colonial soldiers used the advantage of familiar terrain, launching commando-style attacks from forests, riverbanks, and hills. The British, on the other hand, relied on urban and conventional battlefield tactics. The war was not limited to soldiers alone. Civilians, farmers, and women all played crucial roles by providing food, managing local warehouses, and maintaining secret communication networks. Finally, in 1783, the Treaty of Paris formally recognized the independence of the new nation, the United States of America. This war demonstrated that courage, perseverance, and unity allowed ordinary people to defeat a great power. The American Revolutionary War was more than a military struggle. It was a fight for freedom and rights. Today, it remains an unforgettable chapter in American history, teaching us that with bravery and solidarity, even the greatest powers can be overcome.